Math has been a companion for us to find order in chaos and calm confidence in uncertainty. It is a creative art that lets us explore possibilities and discover new ways of thinking that enrich all aspects of our lives. Learning isn't something we as educators impart to students. It's something they do for themselves. We just hold the door open, which leads towards knowledge and opportunities it could unlock in their lives. The compelling stories of children from the grassroots are eye-openers for some and uplifting for some more. Yet, there are stark differences when compared with the urban counterparts in terms of availability of resources, uninterrupted training, and struggles to make ends meet, to cite a few, are a drop in the ocean of issues faced by kids from grassroots to educate themselves. As part of our efforts to address a few of these learning gaps of students at the grassroots level, we at igebra.ai have created Math4ALL, a global outreach program designed to improve math scores at the grassroots. We envision instilling fundamentals of math in kids of all levels so they can gain access to science and technology at the grassroots level, while also developing life skills such as critical and logical thinking. By providing a creative and unique learning experience for mathematics, we at igebra.ai aim to resolve the stigma associated with the subject due to its complexity. We are elated to share with you that our team at igebra.ai has successfully organized a free Math4ALL workshop at ZPHS, Mamidipalli, Hyderabad, India on 3rd December 2022. There was great enthusiasm among the students in 8th, 9th and 10th grades attending this workshop. During the workshop, the kids were taught a method of multiplication that is simple and result-driven by discovering the underlying patterns and logic. Seeing the kids put their learning to good use and formulating tables up to 99 was very rewarding, as we could see their enthusiasm and eagerness. In our experience, there is no greater pleasure for a teacher than to see their students succeed. So we are delighted by your overwhelming response to our workshop. We are committed to bringing more Math4ALL programs to make kids at grassroots level fall in love with math and perform well.
బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. మాకు 10th లో చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎకనామిక్ లో చాలా హార్డ్ సబ్జెక్ట్, ఫార్ములా చాలా ఈజీ మెథడ్ లో చెప్పాడు.
ఇది చాలా యూస్ఫుల్. ఈవెన్ 9th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ విన్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యూ. స్పీడ్ అండ్ అక్యురసీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీరు ఏమైనా కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఈ టేబుల్స్ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి.